everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Practice. Today, I am going to tell you the full story of Harry Potter, one of the most famous stories in the world. This is a story about magic, friendship, bravery, and love. Harry Potter was born to James and Lily Potter, two kind and loving wizards. But when Harry was just a baby, a dark and powerful wizard named Voldemort attacked their family. He killed Harry's parents because he wanted to take over the wizarding world. Miraculously, baby Harry survived the attack, and a magical protection left a lightning-shaped scar on his forehead. This scar became a symbol of hope and courage in the magical world. After the tragedy, Harry had nowhere to go, so he was sent to live with his Aunt Petunia, Uncle Vernon, and Cousin Dudley. They were very cruel to him. They treated Harry like a servant, made him sleep in a tiny cupboard under the stairs, and never showed him love or kindness. Despite this, Harry grew up strong, kind-hearted, and brave, never losing his sense of wonder and curiosity. For 10 years, Harry lived an ordinary and unhappy life, unaware of his magical powers. But on his 11th birthday, something incredible happened. A letter arrived for him, delivered by a giant named Hagrid. The letter was from Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, inviting Harry to study magic. Harry learned that he was not an ordinary boy, he was a wizard, with a destiny that would change the world. At first, Harry was shocked and couldn't believe it, but soon he became very excited. He was finally leaving the cruel life with his aunt and uncle to enter a world full of magic, adventure, and friendship. This moment marked the beginning of Harry's magical journey, a journey that would test his courage, teach him the value of friendship and love, and help him face the greatest evil the world had ever known, Voldemort. Hogwarts and Friends. At Hogwarts, Harry met many interesting people. His best friends were Ron Weasley, who was kind and funny, and Hermione Granger, who was very smart and hardworking. Together, they had many adventures and solved mysteries. Hogwarts is a magical school. There are 4 houses: Gryffindor, for brave students; Slytherin, for clever and ambitious students; Ravenclaw, for intelligent and creative students; Hufflepuff, for loyal and hardworking students. Harry was in Gryffindor, the house known for courage. The first year, the Philosopher's Stone. In Harry's first year, he learned many magical spells and discovered that someone was trying to steal the Philosopher's Stone, a magical object that gives immortality. Harry, Ron, and Hermione worked together and stopped the dark wizard Voldemort from returning to power. Lesson: Harry learned that bravery, friendship, and believing in yourself are very important. The second year, the Chamber of Secrets. In the second year, Hogwarts faced a strange danger. Students were being turned to stone. Harry heard a strange voice that nobody else could hear. He discovered the Chamber of Secrets, a hidden place in the school, and faced a giant snake called a basilisk. He saved the students and stopped the evil plans of Tom Riddle, who was young Voldemort. Lesson: even when you are scared, you can do great things if you are brave and determined. The third year, the Prisoner of Azkaban. In the third year, a dangerous prisoner named Sirius Black escaped from Azkaban, the wizard prison. Everyone thought he wanted to hurt Harry. But later, Harry discovered that Sirius was his godfather and a loyal friend. In this year, Harry also learned about Dementors, dark creatures that make people feel very sad. He learned a powerful spell called Expecto Patronum to protect himself. Lesson: trust, patience, and understanding are important. People are not always what they seem. The fourth year, the Triwizard Tournament. In the fourth year, Hogwarts hosted a magical competition called the Triwizard Tournament. Harry was chosen to compete even though he was very young. He faced 3 difficult tasks: fighting a dragon, swimming underwater to save friends, and running through a magical maze. At the end, Voldemort returned to full power, and Harry realized that the fight against darkness was far from over. Lesson: life gives difficult challenges. Facing them bravely helps you grow stronger. The fifth year, the Order of the Phoenix. In the 5th year, Harry faced many struggles. The magical government did not believe that Voldemort had returned. Hogwarts had a cruel teacher, Dolores Umbridge, who made life very hard for students. Harry, Ron, and Hermione formed a secret group called Dumbledore's Army. They learned how to defend themselves against dark magic. Lesson: stand up for what is right, even when it is difficult. Courage is important in every part of life. The sixth year, the Half-Blood Prince. In the sixth year, Harry learned about Horcruxes, objects that hold parts of Voldemort's soul. He realized that to defeat Voldemort, he must destroy the Horcruxes. Harry also learned that the choices we make are more important than the powers we have. This year ended sadly when Professor Dumbledore, the wise and kind headmaster, died. Lesson: life is full of losses and challenges, but making the right choices is always important. The seventh year, the Deathly Hallows. In the final year, Harry, Ron, and Hermione left Hogwarts to find and destroy the Horcruxes. They faced many dangers and witnessed the Battle of Hogwarts, a great fight between good and evil. Harry finally faced Voldemort. With courage, love, and friendship, he defeated the Dark Wizard and restored peace to the magical world. Lesson: love, friendship, and courage are stronger than any evil. Never give up, even in the hardest times. Magical world. Hogwarts and the wizarding world are full of amazing creatures and objects, dragons, unicorns, and phoenixes. House elves, hippogriffs, and thestrals. Magical objects like wands, the invisibility cloak, and the Marauder's map. Spells like Lumos, Light, Alohomora, unlock doors, and Expelliarmus, disarm an enemy. Lesson: curiosity, learning, and exploration make life exciting. Life lessons from Harry Potter. Be brave, face your fears and challenges. Value friendship, support your friends and loved ones. Make good choices, your decisions define your future. Believe in love, love is powerful and protects us. Never give up, even in difficult times, keep going. Summary of Harry Potter. Harry Potter is a young boy who grows up in a very cruel and unhappy family. His aunt, uncle, and cousin treat him badly, and he has to live in a small cupboard under the stairs. Despite these hardships, Harry discovers on his 11th birthday that he is a wizard. He receives a letter to study at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, a magical school where he can learn spells, potions, and magical creatures. At Hogwarts, Harry makes two best friends, Ron Weasley and Hermione Granger. Together, they have many adventures. They face dangerous magical creatures like dragons and basilisks, solve mysterious puzzles in the school, and uncover secrets about their world. Harry also discovers the dark past of the wizard Voldemort, the villain who killed his parents and wants to return to power. Throughout the series, Harry grows from a young, inexperienced boy into a brave and responsible wizard. He learns valuable lessons about courage, loyalty, friendship, love, and the importance of making good choices. He shows that even ordinary people can do extraordinary things when they are determined, kind, and brave. In the end, after many dangerous adventures, Harry confronts Voldemort in the ultimate battle. Using the power of friendship, courage, and love, he defeats the Dark Wizard and restores peace to the magical world. Harry's journey teaches us that even in the darkest times, hope, bravery, and doing the right thing can change the world. Harry's story shows us that no matter where we come from or how ordinary we may feel, we all have the potential to achieve great things if we are brave, kind, and determined. Vocabulary from today's lesson. Wizard, a person with magical powers. Example, the wizard cast a spell. Witchcraft, the practice of magic. Example, she studied witchcraft at a special school. Basilisk, a giant magical snake. Example, the basilisk can kill with its eyes. Triwizard Tournament, a magical competition between 3 schools. Example, Harry joined the Triwizard Tournament. Horcrux, a magical object with part of a soul. Example, the heroes destroyed the Horcrux. Friendship, a close relationship between people. Example, their friendship lasted forever. Loyalty, staying true to someone or something. Example, he showed loyalty to his team. Courage, bravery. Example, she showed courage in the face of danger. Beloved, loved by many people. Example, he was a beloved teacher. Heartbreaking, very sad. Example, the news was heartbreaking. Sacrifice, giving up something for someone else. Example, parents make sacrifices for their children. Diversity, including different kinds of people. Example, the city is full of diversity. Rebellion, fighting against authority. Example, the student started a rebellion. Epic, impressive and large in scale. Example, the movie had an epic ending. Overcome, to win against a problem. Example, he overcame his fear of flying. That's the full story of Harry Potter. I hope you enjoyed it and learned new words. If you want to practice English every day, join our daily English practice WhatsApp group. You can find speaking partners, daily challenges, and friendly learners. The link is in the description. If you liked this video, please like it, comment your favorite Harry Potter character, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Remember, just like Harry, you can face challenges, overcome fear, and achieve great things if you never give up. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.